How to buy and sell stocks in paper trading on TradingView step-by-step guide in this video. I am going to show you how to buy and sell stocks using TradingView paper trading. If you're a beginner, this is one of the best ways to practice stock trading with virtual money before investing real capital. First, open TradingView and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one for free and log in. Next, open the Supercharts page and search for the stock you want to trade. Keep in mind that paper trading is available only for supported markets. Some exchanges may restrict simulated trading for certain stocks due to exchange policies. Now connect your paper trading account. Open the trading panel at the bottom of the chart, select paper trading and click connect. Your virtual trading account will be ready in a few seconds. Let's place a buy order first. Click the buy button on the chart or open the order ticket. Select the order type that best fits your strategy. A market order buys the stock immediately at the best available market price. A limit order buys the stock only if the market reaches your chosen price. A stop order becomes active once the stock reaches a specified trigger price. Enter the number of shares you want to buy. If needed, set a stop loss to limit potential losses and a take profit to automatically close the trade when your target price is reached. Review the order details and click buy to execute the trade. Now let's learn how to sell. If you already own shares in your paper trading account, open the Positions tab, select your position, and click Close Position to sell your shares. If one-click trading is disabled, TradingView will show an order preview before confirming the sale. If you want to open a short position, simply click the Sell button without holding the stock. This allows you to simulate profiting from a falling market, provided short selling is supported for that instrument. After placing your trades, monitor them in the Positions tab. You can check pending orders in the Orders tab and review completed trades in the History or Account History section. These tools help you evaluate your trading performance and improve your strategy over time. Here's a pro tip: never place a trade without a clear plan. Decide your entry price, stop loss, take profit, and position size before clicking buy or sell. Building this habit during paper trading will prepare you for real market trading. And that's how you can buy and sell stocks using TradingView paper trading. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.